Hey guys, welcome back to Dutch City Cars. Today we have the brand new 2024 Audi A6 Limousine. First, let's take a look at the front of the A6. You can see that it has the optic Parker black package, which gives it a really sleek and aggressive look. And of course, it's part of the S-Line package, which adds even more sporty details. Check out these amazing rims, these are just stunning. And they really stand out with the brilliant black color of the car. Now looking at the back, this is one of my favorite parts. The owner of this car decided to leave off the A6 badge, which I think makes it look super clean and stylish. Plus you've got this massive trunk space, which is great for road trips or just everyday use. However, this particular model doesn't have the automatic trunk closure, but you can get it as an option for about €750. So if you want to save yourself some effort, it's available. And once again, let's take a moment to appreciate those rims. They really make the car pop. And another cool feature, it has the automatic folding mirrors, so when you lock the car, the mirrors fold in automatically, which is a nice touch. Alright, enough about the outside, let's jump into the car and check what the A6 interior has to offer. Before we get going, I've got to say, I really love the interior of the A6, it's just so well designed and comfortable. The steering wheel feels really nice to hold, and I love it how it sits just right. Even at the bottom, it's got a good grip and it makes driving feel really smooth. Another cool feature is the memory seats. You can save your preference seat position and it adjusts automatically when you get in, which is super convenient. The leather in this car feels premium and the seats are super comfortable. Whether you're taking a short trip or going on a long drive, the seats will keep you feeling great. Both the front seats are electric, so you can easily adjust them to your liking. Alright, let's start the car up. One thing I always appreciate about Audi is their dashboard design. It always feels top notch, really clean and functional. The screens in the A6 are great too, very smooth and responsive. Everything feels intuitive and easy to use. Let me show you the ambient lighting, it's amazing in this car. It runs to the middle, across the dashboard, over to the right and all along the doors. It really gives the cabin a modern, classy feel. I'll definitely do a night POV drive for you guys later to show it off in full effect. You can see that everything works smooth and is easy to use. Oh, and both front seats have heated seats, which is perfect for cold days. You can even sync both sides so they adjust at the same time, which is super handy. The start stop button is located right here. All the buttons really feel great to touch. Audi always nails the small details like this. Oh, before I forget, there are two cup holders right here. And here's the key. Nothing too fancy, but it does the job. Now, let's quickly jump to the back. There's room for 3 people and the seats are just as comfy as the front ones. Plus there's plenty of leg room, which is perfect for longer trips. You also get your own climate control in the back, so you can adjust the temperature how you like. Alright, enough about the interior, let's take this car for a drive. Let's start with something you hear right away, the Intelligent Speed Assistance or SA. This is a system that is now required in every new car sold in the EU. Personally, I like to turn it off as soon as I get into the car. It's helpful, but I prefer to have full control while driving. I've also turned off lane assist and start stop system, These are handy features, but for me, I prefer not having the car interfere me when I'm driving. Let's switch the car into sport mode now and feel some of the power of the A6. It may not be the fastest car with its 204 horsepower, but you still get a decent bit of motor sound, which adds to the driving experience. The big windows give you excellent visibility, making it easy to see all around the car. The handling feels great. The A6 really holds well in the corners. Let's take a ride here. The car is incredibly smooth. In fact, you almost forgot you're driving. It feels like you're just gliding along the road. And again, the steering is just so smooth. Audi really knows how to get this right. You never feel like you're fighting the car, it's always in control and gives you that reassurance as a driver. Now, like I said before, it's not the fastest car on the market, but the engine sound is nice. It's not loud or overwhelming, but it gives you that satisfying hum, just enough to remind you that it's still a premium car. You may have caught a glimpse of the ambient lighting back there, just a subtle glow around the cabin. It's one of those features that really stands out at night. I'll be doing a full POV night drive soon, so you can really see how it transformed the interior when it's dark. Alright, let's hit the highway. It will give you a better sense of how the car performs at higher speeds. It feels pretty good when you put your foot down. The acceleration is smooth and it gives you a bit of engine note, which sounds nice and refined. Don't get me wrong, this car is far from slow. While it may not be the sportiest image, it definitely holds its own on the road. When you press the pedal, you'll be surprised at how quickly it responds. It's perfect for those highway merges or passing situations, making every drive feel exhilarating. Alright, let's floor it here again. For a car with only 204 horsepower, the power delivery is surprisingly strong. One thing I absolutely love about this A6 is the sound system. It's amazing. The clarity, the bass, everything is just on point. Unfortunately, I can really let you hear it due to YouTube's copyright rules, but no worries, you can head over to my Instagram. I've posted a clip there where you can really experience the sound. Just swipe on the photo and you get to hear it. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I post there often, including exclusive content like this sound demo you don't want to miss. I've also added some flybys and a quick 0 to 100 test for this A6, so enjoy the sound and speed of this beauty in action. that's it for today's Audi A6 video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. I've got some great videos coming soon. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok for extra clips and behind the scenes content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.